Good morning. Is inaudible? Anyone can reply? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm left for 5 more minutes. Still 235 students have joined. And still some students. Yesterday we post quiz. And only 51 students are attempted.
ma'am.
Anamika can mute itself. Okay, can you complete the yesterday quiz?
Ma'am, ECE students should attend which one, ma'am? Java or Python?
Can you repeat?
Ma'am, ECE students should attend Java or Python, ma'am.
No, not or. That interested can attend Python. But compulsory that you should be have a Java should be there for that one. See, that's an alternative. This semester we plan for Python for the non-IT and IT for Java. And the next
Ma'am, but
semester, this so
ma'am,
what?
but yesterday they didn't
What?
mention our ECE branch, ma'am. Java
Yeah,
people.
that only right. See that the dean will be give a message to your students. See what message given? I don't know. This what sir told. We intimate the student. According to that, will be attended. See, sir told that. And if that only I know. But what message will be circulated to the student? We can ask it. Either we can Java. What sir will send message? Either you can attend Java or Python. But the report should be Java only. For your EC student, you have to submit for that exam Java only, and non-IT student should be submit for the report for the Python only. He sent it like clear.
Okay. So Java
Okay.
is compulsory for us, ma'am.
Yeah, that what meaning is for our IT student Java is compulsory right now
Okay, ma'am.
for this
Thank you.
semester, and non-IT student Python is compulsory.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Non-IT student can attend Java as if optionally, and IT student can attend Python for that optionally for that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Thank
that
you, ma'am.
your assessment marks, everything should be with Java only. Clear. So that should be with respect to make a report and exam should be there, right? According to that, we should be make use of opportunity for the Java also. And only we have 51 student we did yesterday quiz, and those who are not done, we give 5 more minutes to complete that one. Samarth, Samarth, you can mute itself. Samarth, unmute. Complete the quiz part. See, what is the intention of giving that? You should be give the assessment. You will lose your marks if you not submit it. See, you can do assignment, no issues. You can learn. Anyone can learn, and anyone can submit the assignment. Anyone can fill the quiz. Don't issues that one. Okay. Samarth, you can unmute. Sukruti, I think I answered your question. See, whatever you message in the chat box, you can do anyone for that one. So today is we have a little bit about theory about Python. Why is it required? And that after that we have continue with the starting of execution of the program in IDE prompt for that one. You can do the program in that.
Yes, ma'am.
No, no, you are at that time mute. That's why I'm asking to unmute by yourself. Okay.
Quiz we can start now, ma'am. Ma'am,
My screen is visible.
yes.
Okay, so we have a little bit introduction about the Python and why is it required for the Python and what is the difference between the program and the scripting language, as well as then who invented this the Python. Can you name anyone who has invented Python? What is the name of that person? Any idea?
Russell.
What is in which year it will come into picture for that Python language?
1970.
19.
7.
Okay, we why do you use these people for the Python? So where is the applications for that one? Yesterday we had covered with Akshay some the something. So and then we have the installing of the Python we did from that yesterday. Akshay Kumar will give that everyone should be installed. At most of 75% of the student will be installed this Python IDE kit, and we have how to use sample program and then how to run the program for using print function, by using data types, or for using for the operator, for all these thing you can do hands-on sessions today for running the Python by using how to do the Python program execution. See, the let we have what is Python. See, what is the Python? It is also a programming language. So that is used to apply for the scripting. I have to write any simple script. It is also called the scripting language. The Python we have yesterday. See, why is the one person asking what a Python is a compiler or interpreter? See, then as a Python, can you tell me anyone what is the difference between the compiler and interpreter?
Compiler checks all the code at a time. Interpreter line by line.
Yeah, you did in the last semester lab, right? CCP lab. Is it whatever you write the program in C language? The C is what compiler, and C language is a compiler, or it should be interpreted language.
Compiler.
Yeah, very good. See,
Fine.
once you have to write the complete program, then only I should be give that complete program for the compilation. Then only I will get list of program should be the list of errors should be made it. See, that is called C language is a compiler language. That's for compile. See, now Python is a interpreted language. If you write one line, there it's also can run it. You can know about. See, there you get the output, or you will get any error for that one. Because of that, it is called as the Python is called as an interpreted language, and it is Python is also we called as a scripting language. We are using the scripts. Okay. Then what is mean by program? What is mean by script? Anyone can be tell me what the difference of script and program?
Program is set of conditions.
Program
Is a
contains,
step-by-step procedure,
yeah,
perform a specific function.
okay. You have to do the specified task, whatever assigning in that program completely. See what about script?
They
Okay,
don't require compile.
yeah, okay. Let me go the definitions of that one. Say program is executed. That means what? The source is first compiled and the result of that compilation is expected. See, the script is interpreted. This is line by line. It is not complete source program. The script is a code written for the scripting language, and script language is nothing but what? It's just type of programming language in which we can write the code to control your other applications. But it says you only told program is a sequence of instruction, the step by step instruction written so that computer can perform the certain task. By whatever the task according to that problem statement, we are writing the set of instruction. So that will execute the program. Here is not like that. It's an interpreted, so line by line can execute. It will control that applications. So who invented Python language?
Guido von Russell.
Yeah, good. You won. Rosman is a program to write the codes in for the computer programs here written. The Python was created by or invented by Guido van Rossum. From which country? Where? Any idea? Where? Is it American or?
ಕೊಡಾಲೆ ಅವನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ
See, he is in the Netherlands. He is one of the scientists that is a National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. He is working in that one for the Informatica, for the Centrum Vascular Informatica in that. He is also one of the 1991 that language will be actual come into picture for using for that the person. Okay, so that's who invented that. Invented in Netherlands, the early 90s by Guido van Rossum. And Python, it will come into that usage is 90s, but it's come under 80s only. The 80s that actually implemented will be started in December 1989. For that we called as a 90s year. That the generation of the Python is one 1990s. The why it is came, he is one of the why it is given name as Python. Say Gudio is fan of there is a one TV shows will be coming in the Netherlands. That show name is Monte's Python Flying Circus because he is fan of that type of TV shows and make it as a name for whatever he invented the language is giving a name as Monte Python. So later word it will get called as in Python. It is open source from the beginning itself only. See, this will be a little bit of background for your Python. And he gave a goat a quotation for this right for life. The Python is an experiment in which that he gave a freedom for the programmer. Anybody can write, anybody can modify the program in for that one. So we will not get a little bit confused about that one. For that, he gave a freedom to write the program. No, for the little bit expensive and endorse. That is, he gave quotation for that. So what is a Python? He feels about that one. Okay. See then, why was Python is created? See what is the mention of that one? What is the intention of the Python language is created? See that you should be know about. So the original motivation for creation of the Python was to need for higher level languages. Say for example, do the projects like MMO. And he realized development of system in administrative utilities where everything should be written in the C. So you can write the program in C language was taking too long and difficult to understand the concept. The same type of program. See whatever run the program in that lab, whatever the C that can also easily write in the one line or two line. See we have 5 to 6 line in C language that you can write in a 2 to 1 line in that cell. See he make work together working with the bond cell to get a variety of reasons. How can we make modified that C language? I should be come up with a new language. So he can't come into that picture. We need a different language. So I should get the gap between there, big gap between the C as well as the shell. For that, he gave make it as the Python was created. He make it and think of that, and he created new language for that one. See, what is the scope of the Python? Can you tell me some scope wherever can we use it or features of Python? Let me the scope or applications where I can use
Web
Python.
designing,
Yeah, very good.
machine
Game
learning,
development.
Okay. Only 2 points. Because of that only he designed Python.
software developments,
Web design is also come under software development, right? Okay.
Game development and data science, data
Very,
visualization.
very good. Next. So now onwards human power is decreased. What is the next power? Robots.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then there's be a robot programming for robots and build a
machine
web.
learning,
Yeah. Develop games, perform scientific computations, and program
Application.
robots. Yeah. Develop
create,
artificial. This some of the applications your Python or scope of the Python. Let me go just some I have listed. We have more, but I listed some in with respect to the science. We have bioinformatics we can use, or we go for the system administration. We have a Unix language, I have WebLogic, WebSphere, or we have go for web application development. We have CGI, the computer graphics integrated, and Jython. It is in the servlets, and we have a testing scripts. We have can use this the Python. See, why do we need Python? Why? See, we know C, C++, then why you need Python? What is the use of
Easy,
that?
machine
This is,
independent,
yeah, machine independent, then
user friendly,
very good. Next,
easy set of programs.
next. Any other points to be added to that? We have 4 points to be
Open,
listed.
open source.
Open, very
Object
good.
oriented.
Yes. So what is my object oriented?
It uses inbuilt data structures.
Okay. Okay. See, the first 4 point is the Python is object oriented. That means the structure of we have object oriented, we will have a concept studied in C++. We have a C++, Java, all are object oriented. So object oriented, we have a concept, the basic concept, the object oriented, it will cover up, it likes structure supports, it have a concept of polymorphism, operation overloading, multiple inheritance, abstraction. So these are all the some of the features also available in Python as same as in C++ languages, Java language. The Java is also support all those things. We are learning in the evening class that Java. See what is all those things, polymorphism, how it is operator overload can be done, what do you mean by inheritance, what is the types of inheritance, single level inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, how we get, what do you mean by abstraction, what is the friend functions. So everything will we have that C++, the same thing it is Python is also supported it for the users. And the main thing we should be learning here the indentation. See the indentation is one of the greatest feature in the Python is that Python we indentation is very much important. Then the open source, anyone can download, anyone can install in free to use and open source easily accessible for that one. And it has a simple syntax and it is interpreted language and it is easy to learn as have the general purpose high level programming languages and it is platform dependent or platform independent.
Independent.
Very good. It is a platform independent programming language. What do you mean by that? Independent
It can work on any computer system without,
operating system. That is also any prescribed operating system you require.
no,
No, that means independent means it can be used in any machine and in any operating system. And it has simple syntax. It's not have, C. Some student will be feel C only is very big subject for that one. But it's compared to that C, we have a simple syntax. And can you tell me it is a case sensitive or case insensitive language?
sensitive.
What do you make sensitive?
Sensitive.
The capital letter and small letter have different meaning for that one. Okay. Say Python is a case sensitive language and it is an interpreted language for it can use free commercial redistribution. It is powerful. Why? Dynamic typing, built-in types and tools, library utilities are available. So that you can use third-party utilities. We have using Ash include std.h, mat.h like that. You are including that header files, right? While writing the programming. The same thing here also we can include the some of the utilities available in the Python libraries. For that example, numeric, we should do any arithmetic operation, you can go for the numeric array operation, numpy, and any scientific calculation we have to do for, you can go for scipy. So later on, we can use all those library functions and you have automatic memory management. See what are the point I told, what is portable, that is a platform independent. The Python runs virtually every major platform for the study. As long we are completed the Python interpreter is installed, Python program will run exactly in the same manner for irrespective of the platform. See, we have one student told, and the platform dependent. It's not dependent on any of the platform as well as any of the operating system. Because of that, we can use this Python, and it is a mixable. So we have a points with powerful, portable, and it is mixable means the Python can be linked components so written in other language easily for that one. The linking to fast compile the code and for computation intensely for any type of problem. And Python and C's integration is quite common while writing your program. That is why if you know the C, you can write it for Python for that one. If you don't know the C also, you can write it. So a little bit understanding of the classes, how they're going. It is easy to use. Why? There is no intermediate compile and link steps in C, C++. For that one, once you compile, I said, then I should go for the link, then I should go for execution. It's not like that. So if you're done, you can make it easily for that. Output will be getting immediately. The Python programs are compiled automatically in an intermediate form. See, once the program is run, it will generated as a byte code. See, byte code will be called as a interpreted output of that one. So then it treats the Python byte codes, then we will get the result of the output. See, whatever the user is expecting. This gives the Python development speed of interpreter without the performance loss of inheritance. Purely, it is called as interpreted language. And the final point is it is easy to learn. The structure and syntax are pretty intuitive and easy to grasp. You can easily understand for that one. Because of that, we have to use Python. See, then we have done with that installation of Python last yesterday class. We did everyone. We have a Mac OS. You can go with that process. I have Windows operating system. We told it yesterday for that install it. Any version of Python is okay. So the now recent is 3.10. I think everyone should be installed with 3.10 version for that one. Then after that versions, we have to execute the programming this that IDLE kit. Anyone can be do what the full form of IDLE? So now we should be write the program and execute. Today's we'll executing in one the use of this IDLE platform only. See what is an IDLE platform?
Integrated
Development environment.
Integrated development. What is L?
Learning environment.
Yeah,
Learning environment.
very good. Then IDLE platform is in Python integrated development and learning environment. Today's we should begin and run the program in Python in the command prompt that is called IDLE prompt. So when you open that one, you will get these three icons. This greater than symbol. There you can use it. So who use Python today? We have the number of customers, the number of users will be used Python today. This Python is being applied in real revenue generating the products for by real companies. You can take an example. Google makes extensive use of Python in its web search system or employ Python creator for that use. Intel, Cisco, HP, Seagate, Qualcomm, IBM was also use Python for the hardware for your testing, and ESO for use Python for end user customization of tool for its GIS mapping products, and YouTube also sharing raw data in Python. So let's move on. See, what can I do with Python? Why I have to study this internship? What can I do to all those with learning of the Python? See, if you know the Python, you can go system programming bar or graphical user interfacing, programming, internet, scripting, component integration, and database programming, gaming, images, and XML, robot, and more. These are all the applications we have to use Python for doing that program. Okay, the next we have, let me go for the program part. I have to do, this is simple program, how to do the program in that Python ideally. See, what is that line x is equal to 34 minus 23? What operation I'm doing?
Mathematical.
Arithmetic operation. So can you get the output of x is equal to 34 minus 23 if you write in C language, if it's the one line? Can you able to get the output in that C language? If you write only this one line?
no
No, no.
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 So what is the symbol used to represent comment in C language?
double slash
Double slash. Double slash is used for what type of command lines?
multi-line
Multi-line command line, double
Single.
slash.
Single line comment.
Comments.
Okay, double line.
Multi.
How to represent double line or multi-line command line?
Backslash followed by asterisk.
Backslash followed by asterisk and then that much only.
And
And
then
the,
At the ending, you have
asterisk
to put asterisk and backslash.
yeah, okay. So the single line command line we've represented by dash slash slash. Multi-line command line we start with slash star and slash dash dash slash star. See, but what's in representative the command line in Python? How to represent Python in comment? What is the symbol?
Hashtag.
You see my slide. See, we can represent hashtag is to be used to represent the other command line. It's the hash is to use to represent the command for that one. See, in the Python, you can write one line. The one line arithmetic operation. If you write only in that x is equal to 34 minus 23, see, we'll get the subtraction of these two number. We can get it. So, what is the second one? Y is equal to hello. What type of input?
String.
The string type of input, no need to declare character array. How to declare a character? I want to read my input hello. What is the thing should be recorded in C language? We should be use character. Character, how much of array memory location? C, is it one character? No. Then it should be required what? Is it string type or what?
String.
String. How what is the data type for that one? How to represent that?
Arrays.
Array string. Character C, you can make an array of 10 or anything you should be get. What is the end of the character? End of the string?
Null.
Yes, very good. So what is the third statement? Z is equal to 3.45. Someone, Bhagyashree can unmute. Okay, so what is the meaning of third line? Z is equal to 3.45.
Float.
The float data type.
What is the meaning of that line? Z is equal to 3. That is float value. Yeah, good. What is the meaning of that line? Z is equal to 3.45. Bhagyashree. See,
Comparison.
is it comparison? Just think about that line. How to
Declare.
use comparison. Now read the next line. You get an idea about comparison symbol as well as what? One more statement. Somebody stole it. What is that one?
Assign.
Initialization.
Initialization. Okay. Then one more one. Instead of
Equality.
initialization, okay, assigning the variable. Z will be assigned with the what? 3.45, assigning the variable or initialization of the variable. Okay. So what is the difference between the single equals and double equals?
Declaring double.
Declaring
I'm assigning single equality double.
One is assignment operator.
Comparing is double equal, ma'am.
okay, one by one.
Double equal equality.
Ashita, can you tell me what is the use of single?
Single is used for assigning, double is used for comparing between
Very
two
good.
values.
The same meaning will be written in the Python also. Single will be used for the assigning, double will be used for the comparison for that one. Okay. See, next we take in for that. What is the use of if condition?
If.
If. Where I am using if.
Ma'am, if
True
you
or
have
false.
two outputs like true or false, you can use if.
Checking the condition whether
Boolean.
it's true
Is a conditional statement or
or
non-conditional
false.
statement?
Condition.
Conditional statement.
Okay, conditional
Condition
statement.
statement.
Can you list some conditional statement instead of if? Other than
Else if. Else.
While.
which one?
Else
Which one?
if switch.
For switch.
Okay, for. Okay,
While.
while.
Do while.
Very good. Do while.
Ending statement.
Next. Okay, these are all
Nested if.
called conditional statement. So the same conditional statement can also use in Python also. If If you want to write a program by using any conditions, we should be use these conditional statement, but the syntax is different than C language. Okay, you know the syntax of C language, then you can know the Python syntax, then you can write it. See what this line no, you come to your the same format of if. So you know if is a true or false condition. If the condition is true, then line will be executed. So according to that, what is the statement I given? Z equal to what comparison I am doing?
3 point.
Z double equals to 3.45. What is the Z is assigning value the previous line? Z is equal to 3.45. 3.45 equal to 3.45. The condition is true or false? In this statement, condition is
True.
true. Then Y double equals to hello. What is that? Y double equals to hello? Condition is true or false?
True.
True.
So then true,
Yes, also.
this is or is logical or this true. See, we are using in C language double pipeline, correct, right? How to represent R in C language? Double
Slash.
pipeline, slash, not
Room.
slash.
Room.
That is for logical symbol.
Formal.
Okay, how to use for the AND operation? Which is the symbol I am using? AND.
And
Ampersand. Very good. Okay. But now in the if condition, we are not using ampersand, or if not using that or, we should be use that the symbol or. Or will be used for you to checking for both the condition. See, if condition is true, what is an answer? X is equal to x plus 1. What is the meaning of x is equal to x plus 1?
Increment.
What is the
this is
value of
increased.
what is the value of x now?
11.
10, ma'am.
12 now.
11, 12, 10.
10.
So why 11, why 12? G1, what is the answer?
Increment.
G1, what is the answer for x?
12.
11.
7. See, x
12.
is equal to 34 minus 23. See, that answer is 11. Correct?
11.
The x value stored it is 11. See, now x is contained in the memory location is 11. See, after condition is true, that is, what is x plus 1? What do you mean by x plus 1? I'm incrementing 1 to the
12.
x. Then 11
12.
plus 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. Now x is contained 12. Correct? Okay, next I am doing y is equal to y plus word. See, I am taking new string word. See, what is the expecting output of y? See,
Hello.
at the
Hello.
end I am
Print
printing
hello
x,
world.
printing y.
Hello world.
But it won't print hello.
Why? Why you won't print hello world?
Double.
Why?
5 plus
See, what is this
You
plus
can't
indicate?
add
See,
string in that way.
yeah, you
Hello. Plus.
studied C language, right? Who is that one? Yeah, correct.
Yeah, I'm
Your thinking
Shivani.
is correct. Yeah, your thinking is correct. In C language, we can't add decimal number or integer number with what this, or we can add with that string with plus symbol. But in the Python we can use plus. If you use plus in the symbol, with this is the symbol will be used for concatenation of your two string. Any string can be concatenated by using what? Plus. You have a write a program in C language, write a program to concatenate two string. How many lines code you written? Minimum 6 to 7 line for the
multiple.
function, right? We written function, right? Concatenation, comparison, and length of the program. Clear? Everyone remember that program? Write a programming string operations. There we have comparison, length of the program, as well as concatenation. We are calling a function for concatenation. Minimum how many number of lines you written? Minimum 6 lines are there? 6 to 7? You have to declare a string 1, stringer 2, then you should be called that storing into the one variable. I have to increment it till at the end of the string. We should be take the second reading. It should be added. Finally, I want to display the final string. Correct. But now y has hello. Then I'm attaching the second string y plus hello word. Then you will get the output as hello word. So this is you can execute the program. None in that. This is just I am giving a simple with conditional statement. I take it. So I will come to the later for all those things. Akshay is also continuing for these statements later for this one. So just I gave how the Python will be looking beauty will be comparison with C and C++. See, what is the things to be remember? This is the sum of the basics and to understand the C as well as the Python. Just now I gave what is it and understand. I want to write a program in Python. What are the things to be remember in your mind? Okay, can you make tone that point? Should be remember to write on the point. The first more is identity indentation matters to code meaning. See, whatever you are not follow indentation in the C language, but if you don't write indentation also, you will get the output of the C. But here it is not like that. Indentation is that in a block where I have to open the bracket and where I have to close the bracket and the same order where it is get it for that. The same thing it should be the block structure indicated by the indentation is very much important. And as first assignment the variable creates, you should be use variable types don't need to be declared. So there I have to use a is equal to 2 in C language. What is the first most step?
Int A, you need to declare.
Int A I should be declared, then A is equal to 2, I have to use it. Or in the simultaneously int A is equal to I should be used. But in Python, is it required?
No.
Variable times don't need to be declared. You directly you take an A. It can be A is any data type. It can be int or it can be a float. It can be string. Any data types you can directly can use it. The Python figure out the variable types on its own. See, by assigning the value to that Python, it will find out it belongs to what type of variable. Okay, clear that one? Third point. Third point I gave with the previous slide. What is that? Assignment and comparison. You have any doubt in that? Assignment is what? Which operator? One single equals comparison is double
Comparing.
equals. Okay. Then for number plus minus star division express you are using expected for here. So you have a special meaning of the different of this. The special use of plus, the last one we have used plus. What is the meaning of plus here? You should be used for the
Concatenation.
concatenation. See now, plus for the string concatenation and
Okay.
slash for the string formatting. So you are using C printf formatting for the string user. Next, what is the one more difference? C and Python. What are the logical operators for the AND? Double ampersand or pipeline of the symbol, not negation you are using. But here, we can't use symbol, we have to use the word. What is the word? AND and OR as well as NOT not. Clear? What is the function we use to print the statement in C language?
Printf.
Yeah, we are using printf. There, here, Python.
Print.
Yes,
Print.
you should be given the common difference between the Python and C. There we are using printf, but now we are using only the print. So this is little bit comparison between the Python and C, how to remember. So what is in program execution? See the Python code, how it will start execution. The Python is traditional runtime execution model. You write the source code, you type, and it will translate it. Any program you can type with the extension of .py. Python program extension is .py. C program, what an extension?
.c.
Once you compile, what type of file is generated in the C? Can you tell me what type of file is generated? Anyone? You use
Compile.
in the lab. For example, you write addition of two numbers sum.c. Gedit sum.c. Clear? What is the command will be used for the compilation?
File name dot
File
dot
name
slash
dot
a dot
c.
out.
cc space filename.c.
cc space file name dot c. Clear? Huh? See after that, what is an output of that program? What type of program will be generated? Anyone will be say what type of program? What type of the program?
Compiled.
What is the compiled file and what is an run file will be stored in which format?
Executable format.
What is that extension of that?
Dot
exe.
exe.
Dot
Dot slash a dot out.
exe. See, dot slash a dot, it is the common general program will be created. If you want to create your particular sum dot a dot out or sum dot exe, you should be use some other command to do it for that. See, now you should be keep it in mind. See, whenever you write the program, if you compile the program, first it will generate the object file. It will generate the object file through the compiler. The object file will be extension of .obj. If you are computer science department or electronics student, the IT student will learn in the coming semester how the object program will be generated. So we have in the fourth semester lab, and we have a theoretical concept in the fifth semester, how that object file, that we have a system softwares are there. Using system software, it will the compiler design how that C program will be converted into that is obj file will be created. Once the obj file is created, that can be given it for the execution, that exe file is created the finally. See, that is the C structure is compilation dot c, sum dot obj, as well as sum dot exe. Now that Python, if you run the program dot m dot py, it will create the bytecodes. It will run in the virtual machine, it will create the bytecodes. These bytecodes can be run in any type of virtual machine. See, that will we get the output in that compiled exe files. This is the program Python, as the bytecodes will be generated. Okay. See, now I want to go back to now the running the Python. See, we have go for the interpreter for the run the program. We should be use IDLE hit for that one. Okay. Everyone, this is the sum of the program. Just a message. You can use print hello world. You will get it. And if you have to display the what are the list of the element, you can use this. You will list it. I want to print x value, then you get 0, 1, 2. If you want to addition, you will get 2 plus 3. See, now how to do for this? We can move. All of you can click on your start button. If you are using in mobile, you can install Pyroid 3. So there also is the same set of commands. You can type it in the mobile. There also you will get an output. Clear? Or if you are using in the laptop, you go to start button. There you will get Python IDLE. Okay. Click on start button. You can type Python. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you type Python, you will get an IDLE Python. I am go slowly. Everyone should be do it. So I want to get the output in the chat box. Okay. Either someone I will tell to the share the screen. You should be share the screen whatever output you are getting. I want to need to check it. Is it getting or not for that one? Say whoever are login, I have to ask any random number. I have to pick it that you have to show it or you are getting that output or not for that. Should be keep in mind the answer for that. So you have to click on that IDLE. The mobile you have installed that app, you can just click on that. After clicking, there you have a interpreter is there. See, we have a in that mobile, you press on this three horizontal lines are there. For that three horizontal lines, you click on that, you will get it interpreter. If you click on interpreter, you will get it that's the same format. Everyone got this one?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Shall we go for the next? Okay, this is see why this is we have I will tell you that basics of this. See, the getting started, you can write the program in Python in the two different modes. One is called interactive mode. The second one is called scripting mode. What are the two types? Interactive mode
Interactive.
as well as the scripting mode for that one. The interactive mode, what I am doing right now, it is called interactive mode. So after 45 minutes or 50 minutes, I will move on to the scripting mode. There you will get the difference between interactive mode as well as the scripting mode. For that interactive mode, as the by default, what the default of that Python mode is interactive mode. The interactive mode is the default mode, And if you want to get days 1, what are the steps? Go to start, scroll down your Python and select ideally Python, and you will get this screen window. That's the shell window. So there you have an option, file, or edit. If you want to do open a new file, create a new file, or open or the recent file, I had to go to set the path, save as, which will be print. This is the file. Then edit options also there. Shell. If you want to check the previous history, you can go it, and debug option, and you have a window and help. So these are the some of the, this you have a toolbar for doing for the menu bar for this one, and we should be moved on to this. We have all of you observed these three greater than symbol. See, this is the command prompt. The command prompt is denoted by, what is the symbol for the command prompt?
Triple H.
Triple hash should be used to, what is the meaning of this space? This is, you want to type the area for your code. You can type any line of code. See, before to type this code, you can write it. See, you can type, all of you start with, see, what is the syntax I'm missing? If you want to type any that line, the string type, you should be start with either single for the code. You should be start with single quote. So you start with a single quote. Welcome to BIT. See, all of you get the terminal, right? Those who are using mobile also were getting clear. Just line by line you should be, and don't think only you should be make one pen and paper, write down in that right side. Also, so whatever your command you are typing there. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so let me go for the next one. So you know the difference between the single quote and double quote? I ran 2 times. Either you can go double quotes for the string, or you can also use single quote. I'm not using any print statement. You can use print statement also, getting the output right.
Yes.
Then the C language. Without print statement, I can't able to get any display the message in the monitor in that C. But here I can't. I'm not using any print statement. Directly I am giving my input. Welcome to BAT. I am getting. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we cannot able to open in mobile, ma'am.
See, you have installed, right, Pyroid.
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday that sir told no Python editor. I have that, ma'am.
Okay, you click on that.
Okay, ma'am.
After click on, see, we have a new is there, right?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. We have only two options, code and output, ma'am.
No, once you open that, you have a 3 icon horizontalized in the top corner.
No, ma'am. We don't have anything in that. Only we have two, coding and output.
No, which one you are installed in your mobile? You can uninstall it directly. You can once again you
Python
do it.
editor, ma'am.
No, you have to go for Pyroid. You should be installed in you are doing in mobile, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Go to Play Store. Go to Play Store.
Okay, ma'am.
Pyroid, Pydroid 3.
Yeah, ma'am. Pyrod.
3. Just give
3
Pyroid.
IDL, ma'am.
Oh, okay, 3 IDLE. Click on that. You install it. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes. Click on that.
Can you once explain again in the laptop how to install?
Yeah. Don't worry, I will. Which one?
This file.
Welcome.
This one slide. Just I will close it and we'll do it once again. Okay, don't worry about that. See, go to start button.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
No. Someone will asking. You install. After install, I will come back to your. Okay. Go to start button. There you can type Python, Python. Just you type 4 letters. So there you will get an IDLE Python in your system. Or in the start button also you will get it. Scroll down. According to that ABC letter, it will store it. You have a IDLE Python. See, now I'm recently used that one. I'm getting the top one only. You are not used, then it should become scroll down like this. You will get it. Did you find out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Just click on that one.
In mobile, we have to download Python Pyroid 3.
Yes. After downloading.
I'm completed downloading, ma'am.
Okay. Just click on that one.
Yeah, ma'am. I got something. What type of program are you planning to run?
Yeah. You're just
Yeah,
the
we have
first one.
simple.
Basic.
Okay, ma'am.
Simple. Basic program. Click on that one. What is the next step? You'll ask
Ma'am,
one more
for me,
question.
it's asking to install, ma'am, in Windows 11.
Windows 11. You have to install. Yesterday we told spend for 2 hours for the installation, right? You should be follow that steps, right? You can go Google and download Python website, python.org downloads. You at install, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. That's why we told yesterday to installation to execute the program 2 days. See whatever that girl, you click on that. Next question. Simple questions.
It's open, ma'am. It's asking new and
Yeah, in that
there is
you
no
have a
start.
three. So wait. You have a 3 horizontal lines will be there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You click on that. You select interpreter.
Okay, ma'am.
If you select interpreter, you will get whatever I'm getting in the screen. The same thing you will getting.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, everyone is doing in mobile is getting. Just says thumbs up.
Yes.
So those who are doing in mobile, can you send the thumbs up? You are in all round. Okay, because I had to go continue, right? This is the first step. If you done, I can go it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
I thought this we can operate in this.
So what? I'm not listening. Can you repeat once again?
Psycho.
Record. Okay, let me start. Mobile. You just click double. Welcome to. No semicolon. Type anything. Type hello. Clear? Can I continue?
Yes.
Okay. How to display? I want to display 10 number. Just only I want to display the digit 10. Can you type only 10? You will display automatically. This is only sample. Just I will come back to the concept. Just how to use ideally script command prompt. So I want to display that digit 10. I don't want to use any that declarations, or I don't want to use any assignment. Just I can type 10. It will automatically display 10. Clear? Everyone is get
Yes.
decimal number? Any decimal number? Correct? Can you type all of your beginning letter of your name? Only one letter. Beginning of your letter of your name. How to write?
Yes.
What is the syntax?
Single quotes or double quotes?
You have to tell
Both
me.
same.
I show both the things. Either single quotes or double quotes.
Single quote.
Both.
If you use double quotes, what happens?
Convert to single.
What is the syntax error I got? What is the mistake I made?
One double, one
Have to
single.
use character type.
See, both are using same here. Single quote and double quotes in this to display the characters, all the same. Clear? Okay. See, I have a one question. If I give 10 less than 5, what is the meaning of that?
False.
Why it is false?
Condition.
Condition. Are you writing any condition? Just I am giving mathematical number 10 less than 5. If I type 10 less than 5 in the command prompt, see, what type of output I am expecting? I am getting error,
False.
or I am getting 0, or I am getting false, or I am not getting anything.
False.
Get some digit.
You will getting 0 or 1 or true or false or none. What is the answer I am expecting?
False.
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 False, ma'am. Boolean type.
False. So why?
That's wrong.
Why? Can you do it?
Condition.
Everyone can do it. 10 less than 5. So I'm not using, I'm using any condition if statement here?
No.
No, but you should be do it in 10. A is less than B in
False.
program, then I should be equal if condition to check it is greater than or not to check the condition is true or false. Now I am writing only that one statement 10 less than 5. What is the answer?
But you have used relational operator. So
Yeah, there I am using relational operator as well as the conditional operator. You just an example. I have to use command prompt for this. 10 is less than 5. Okay. See what is the result I'm expecting for this?
False. What's additional?
10 is greater than 4. False, huh?
True. True.
True.
No. Then correct, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
True.
Okay. What about this? Can you able to add in the command prompt or we're not getting output?
we got 25, ma'am. We got output.
We got
It's
output
getting
also. All of you run the output.
20,
What is the answer?
25.
25.
25.
Can anyone take a picture in the mobile? Can put it in the chat box? I have to check it out.
You
If you're
can't
running, someone you can take mobile screenshot and someone can take it in the IDT tool. You can get it.
you can't paste screenshot.
Okay, either can share the screen. Okay, what will be expect 10 is equal to 10?
Error.
Why?
Because we can't assign, ma'am.
You are getting error the same statement, right? Yeah, who is sharing the screen? Some are sharing the screen. Okay, go back to your idea. I will tell you the commands, you can do it. Okay, 2 equal to 2. What's an error you are getting? Can't assign
False.
literally. See, you can give 2 double equal to 2 double. What happens?
True.
True. Okay, I will go the next condition. 4, Samarth, you type 4, less than symbol,
Ma'am.
audible? Hello? 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 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೀಕರಿಂದ ಮೈಕ್ಗೆ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಲೋ? ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಟು ಆಡಿಯೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ತಾನೆ. ಹಲೋ? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, is it audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay,
Ma'am.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Samarth?
Ma'am.
Yeah, you type greater than symbol. After less than, you continue with the greater than symbol. Less than, greater than 5. Don't press enter. Tell me what is the answer. Don't press enter. No one press the enter. Don't tell me the answer. Without pressing the enter, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, one doubt is there, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, why it showed error when 10 equal to 10?
10?
It's not.
Wait, I will clear all the doubts. Why it is double equals to doubt, why 10 is equal to 4. See, we have a theoretical concept. I will come back. Okay.
Ma'am, this is syntax error.
Where you have error? 10 equal to 10 now.
4 less than greater than 5.
4 less
Ma'am,
than
10 equal to 10.
You have error, huh? Why? You should be get 10. 10 equal to 10 is an error because it's an assignment statement. I can't do number with the number. If you do A is equal to 10, it will read. Correct, right? Oh, next, 4 less than greater than 5. What is an output? Press Samarth enter.
अरे नहीं चिप्स और है अरे वो चिप्स और है
Who is that?
ब्रश कहाँ है मेरा कहाँ है
It's showing that line 1 is error.
रुको ना यार
That's an invalid error. That's an invalid syntax. See how to check that 4 is not equal to 5.
Exclamation mark.
Very good. Type it. Type it. All of you type explanatory is equal to 5. 4 not equal to 5. See, someone is disturbing the class. Aman?
Invalid symbol.
No, only explanatory is not enough. What is the one more? Anyone guess?
Explanatory equal to.
Very good. 4 explanatory equal to. So you get the answer? Yes.
True.
Okay. 4 is less than 2.
False.
Okay. 2 is less than 4.
True.
Okay, clear? See, any type of number I can give it in that one. If I give only 10 equal to 10, you will get an error. 4 is greater than or greater than, that is symbol we're not using for this. That check the given number is not equal to. See, what can we come to conclude now? For that Python, we have a interactive mode as well as the scripting mode. Interactive mode is useful for testing the code. Where? Dash. Where you type the commands. Correct? Interactive mode is useful for testing the code where you type the commands. So one at a time and get the results or error dash. Get the results or error at dash. What is the dash meaning? You are facing the dash answer. One at a time and get the results are error dash. What is the dash? Anyone fulfill the dash answer?
At same time.
Immediately. Same time. That is also can take it. Correct? Huh? Okay. See now. The same whatever I use word. I'm doing that BAT, right? See, can you stop sharing, Samar? S- 10 equal to 10, me also getting error. Why? Because can't assign a literal here. Instead, you should be use that.
Your voice is echoing, ma'am.
Amisha Singh, mute it.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
No, you are muted. For that, I told to unmute. Okay. See, what is the difference of using print hello? What is the expected output?
Ma'am, hello will come but without quotes.
Correct? Any other answer? Correct. What is the difference between you are using here? If you use in the command prompt directly the string, then you will get with quotes. I am getting the display of the text messages. See, I don't want to display any of the quote in that string. I should be use what type of function? What is the name of the function? Using
Print function.
print function. See, can I type like this?
Syntax error, ma'am.
What is an output? Why syntax error?
Should be small.
He should be small.
Sensitive.
Say, now is what? Print is not defined. P should be small. That means Python is a case sensitive programming language. The Python we have a difference between what type of letter? Capital letters and small letters. The P has capital letter, it is called as a variable. P has a small letters, it will called as a keyword, can be used in the print. Okay. So the Python, you can use print also. I will have some small question on that Python. I will write the question. Can you able to show the output of that? My screen is visible, right?
Ma'am, should we use a semicolon after every?
No, semicolon is not compulsory in the Python. If you use semicolon is also will get the output. Without using semicolon is also will get the output. See,
But in C,
yeah, but in C, compulsory I want to record. See, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I want to get output of your the command prompt 10 plus 56 is equal to 66. I want to get this answer. Clear?
Ah,
How to type the program in ideally? Anyone, if you did, can share the screen and show me the output. I want to read the input 10 plus 56. I want to display the answer as a 66. The final statement of the output should be this. Using print statement, how to use it? Can you do it? I will give you 2 minutes. If we use 10 plus 56 is equal to 66 in the print statement, what happened?
It will display 10 plus
To
56
give error.
66.
But I don't want to get the answer 56 in the line. I should be evaluate from that line. In the printf statement, it will evaluate. I want to get the answer is 66. How to use in C? You should be use what? Printf statement. The same you think about C language. The same way you should be write in Python also. But instead of printf, you should be use print. Clear? Aditya, it's wrong. Where is the chat message? Print 10 plus 56, you will get the only 10 plus 56 only. 56 plus 10. No. Anyone completed? You're getting to print 10 plus 56. What is the answer you're getting? Yes, someone is doing 10 plus 56. What is that one? Abhilash. Abhilash, you got output. But what is the statement I given? Just think about. I don't tell only that answer 66. I didn't ask only 66. I want to get that line as 10 plus 56 is equal to 66. I want to print like this. Clear the statement? Your answer is correct, but it will display only the answer. Correct. Avani, you get the answer? Sambrada. Sharmada. What is that name? That got that answer? Sharmada. Yes, he is correct. Who is that? Ashwini got it. Shruti. 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 Shruti Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
You got the output?
Yes, ma'am. I got the output.
A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10. You are assigning two variables, then your addition, then you're printing the dates. Instead of 4 lines, can you able to do it in 1 line?
Can we use semicolon like A is equal to 10?
A is equal to 10. You type it, whatever you done, you get the output, then you can put it. I'm checking. Saha Saxena. 10 plus 56. Saha section. Answer is correct. Then, okay, someone has got it. Shreyas, Sarshita. Print table. The variety of program I'm getting. Very good. You printing 66 also. Who is that? Rakshita? Rakshita GK. You are printing that answer also. If you change that number, okay, let me come back to that tool. You can type print. You have to use the function print. You can use double quotes or single quote. 10 plus 56 is equal and use quote, comma. I want to do evaluation, right? 10 plus 56. Close it. Clear? My screen is visible, right? Correct? Single line of evaluation, print 10 plus 56 is, comma, 10 plus 56. Instead of I'm taking A is equal to 10, B is equal to 56, I requires C is equal to A plus B. Finally I'm using print statement. Can you do it in one single line? Aryan, don't disturb the class. Can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this I think clear in single line can be able to get it. See my next question is 10 star 80 minus 50 plus 30 star 2 divided by 10. What is the answer? Only one statement. Then I can use 4, 5 variable. If you give the length, if you use only 2 variable, the students can use A, B, C.
36, ma'am.
The answer is
36.
What rules we are using for evaluation of our expression in the C? What is the name of the rules?
BODMAS.
BODMAS. Here Python is also using the same or different?
Ma'am, you have not used the BODMAS rule, ma'am.
No. It is built in. Say it's built in. It's while doing an expression only. We're getting the answer is 36. He applying the same BODMAS rules, right? The program will be written in that rules only. Can you put the answer? Don't write only the answer. I need a execution answer. How to do it in? Anyone can share the screen, can show it that answer. What is 80 minus 44?
One question.
You want question, huh? You got it right. Next, I will tell you. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. I will give the question. 5 plus, I will put in the chat box. I want to get like this. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And 5 into 5 is equal to 25. See, I want to get the output statement like this. What is your Python code? Only Samarth is there. Always Samarth only share the screen. Why others? You should be fighting. Whenever you should be learn the code, learning anything, you should be come forward. No one will be push. You should be come. You're getting error. Samarth, what is the mistake you made? I don't want to get in that answer. I want to get through evaluation. I should be do evaluation, not a single statement. Through evaluation operator, you should be use. 5 plus 5, I giving input. I should be calculate using an operator plus 10. Then 5 into star 5 is, that is a multiplication. Then I want to get 25. Do it. Janavi can do it.
I'm 36 now.
And that is correct. Can you go for the next line, Janavi? Janavi G. Next line. Next, press enter. Press enter. Then type it. Print function. Anyone completed? Print 5 plus 5. See, what is that one? Arsha AR. Harsha? Anyone can share the screen for that output? Harsha here. Gurudat. So 5 plus 5. Okay. Share the screen. Where is your prompt? Don't hesitate. It's a learning. Don't worry. If you are stuck, you can intimate me. We will take it. 5 plus 5. Yes, very good. Who is that? Banushree. Okay. Yeah, good. See, any doubt, you can check that one. Banushree is good. Any other? We have only 10 outputs for this one. We have 342s are there in that line. So then ideally can also used as a calculator. Okay, it can also used as a calculator for any type of program can be do it. See, you have to give now. What is the answer? It is used as an arithmetic expression and it is using print function. It is used as Bodamo's rule for plus, minus, star and bracket. Can you tell me the what is the output of this? 45 divided by 6.
0.5.
0.5, 7.5.
0.5.
7.5.
Okay.
7.5.
Very good. Okay. The next one. Division is working fine. Don't check the answer. Now tell me 67 double slash 8. Don't do it and tell me the answer. Without do it, you can tell me.
3.
3 na?
8.
8, ma'am. 8.
Why only 8?
Ma'am, quotient.
This symbol, it gives
What is
the
the symbol
output
you
as
are
an
using for in
integer.
C language to get the quotient?
Float division.
Modulus.
See, what is the answer now?
As in
67 by 8. What is the answer now?
It's a float.
8.375.
Now you got the difference between the double slash and single slash?
Double slash will give only quotient, ma'am.
Double slash will get only the integer part of the quotient and with the single slash will be given on with the decimal point of your quotient also. Clear the doubt? Okay. See now, for this question, without running, if you know C language, apply Bodamo's rules for this. Can you tell me the answer? Work out and tell me the answer. Don't run and tell me. If you run the system, it is automatically will get the answer. I will ask which one has the highest parameter and you get the answer. See what is the answer for this? 100 plus 8 star 6 star 8 divided by 6 minus 3. We have division is also there. We have multiplication plus and minus. Which operator will be evaluated first?
6 into 6, 30.
6 into 6.
36. Okay. That will be
36 divided by 6.
okay. What the remainder will get it? What the portion will get it? 36 divided by 6. 6. This will be evaluated first. Because why? Only this one?
It is enclosed in bracket.
This is enclosing in the bracket. The bracket have a highest precedence. That because the B says bracket. Okay, na? Next, after the bracket, and you have a division. Division and star as what? Both are same precedence. Can you able to do it 36 by 8 or bracket divided by 6?
36
36 divided by 6, you will get 6. 6 multiplied by 8.
48.
Then after that, what is the next operation?
minus
Plus
3.
100.
100.
Then 148 minus 3. What is the answer?
145.
Okay.
145.
Can you run it in the system? You will get the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Clear? Then what is the meaning of in this problem? In the C as well as Python, you are using the operator for the Bodamas rule to evaluate your calculator for any arithmetic operations. Clear?
Mama, what we want like precise answer, like 7.34 to up to 3 decimal points. It is same.
It will display that more than that 3 to they will get maximum 10 number will be displaying, right? 45.00000. So that will come to that later part. Just in asking only the Bodamas rule how to apply for that. How to get the precise, I will tell you the data. The next I want to get the next operator. I want to get this answer. Can you tell me? Ten minus 3 percentage of 8 plus 6 by 4. Which operator will be execute first?
Percentage.
What is 3 percentage of 8? What is an answer? Don't run. This is in C language. You written exam also.
Remainder, ma'am.
What is the remainder of 3 modulus of 8?
3.
2.
2 na, 0 na, 1 na, 8 ah. What is
3,
the correct
3,
answer?
3.
3. Very good. Next. 10 minus 3. 6 divided by 4.
8.5.
What is the answer? Someone is telling answer.
8.5.
8.5.
8.5.
8.5. Clear? Okay. Say anyone executed those program? Can you share the screen? Eight 8.53. Someone find out in the answer 3 modulus of 8. From there will be recognized. Okay. 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 So now I have to test before I moved on. We have some. Can you able to try this answer? You should be use that ideally tool for making a calculator. See the first question. Type the following expression one by one next to the Python prompt and note down the output in the following given table. Okay. See for this, we'll give an idea about how to use in that command prompt for that operators for to run the program by using Bodamas laws. Clear? Can you do the second question? Second question. What is the meaning of the second question? My screen is visible, right?
We need to use the print statement and we need to get this output. Python works in 2 modes.
Write the statement next to the Python prompt using a print function to get the following output. Do it and put it in that, show that output. Python works in 2 modes, interactive mode and script mode. What do you mean by that? Those who are done can share the screen.
For second question, the output is 145.
Okay. Can I able to write it? Next. Second one I already did. Third one, fourth one are simple, don't do. Fifth one, first question, fifth one, if you want, you can do it. Fifth one. And eighth one, I already did. I need answer for the second part. First part is I did. No worry about the first one, you clearly understand. I want to go for the second part, this one. Anyone, if you did, can you share the screen? I will give 3 minutes to do for this one. Within 3 minutes can done. Who will be fast, I will check it out. Python works in 2 modes, interactive mode and scripting mode. Anyone can share it once they got the output. Interpreter is a language processor. Yes, Guru, that good? Good. You got it question right? What is the meaning of question? Just it will display in the question. Direct question you will getting. Okay, good. Anyone, any other? Any,
Minus 2.5.
minus 2.5 is the question for the seventh one?
Ma'am, for fifth question, the answer is minus 2.5.
Very good. Fifth one is got A star 4, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, good, good. Any other? Anyone try? You want question? Anyone for the second one? Second question, anyone did? Other than Gurudat?
Ma'am, done. 145.
That is already, we already did, right? 145 did. No issues for that question. Second question I don't want. Eighth question I don't want. 3 I don't want. Remaining question you done it and show the output. Okay, Kushi is in line. Kushi, we did second question. Yes, good Kushi. /n/t/n, wait for the time, I will come back to that picture. How to use escape sequences. Okay, just I will move on to that sessions after half an hour. Raj Purohit, even I did. Where is your screen? Can you show the screen? Question you want? If you did, you can share the screen, then I can know it. So print statement, you can use double quote, single quote to display as it is in that output stream. And only should be use the quotes. Okay. See, both are valid. Jagdish is doing in phone. Okay. The last 1 minute. Any 2 to 3% can share the screen if you did. Apurva is sharing the screen. Okay. Good, Apurva. But I got the output, Raj Purohit. After installation, you click on that exe file, you click next, Jagdish. Then you go to start button and click on that IDLE Python. You can start executing the prompt. Abhishek Singh. Okay. E dot Python. A is a question. Okay, it's okay, no issues. Okay, Abhishek. Interpreter is a language processor. Okay, good. Okay, so now it's time I have to go explanation for variables, keywords, how to use for the printing escape sequences, data types for all. I want to test your skills, how you know about C language. So we have a 10 questions right now. I can able to fill the quiz. We have a 324 are there. I want to get the response 324 also for that one. Say I will give maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Within that, only we have a 10 question. You have to fill. I have to submit it. Based on that, I will move on to your that concept of the variables in the Python, keywords in the Python, data types in the Python, and print function in the Python. So just now I gave only the print function to how to use it. I didn't say about what is an operator to use, escape sequences, format specifier. I have not told anything about that one. I will discuss all the things with for this now. See, we will put at the quiz part in that chat box. Everyone should be do it. Just wait a minute. All are ready? The quiz link in chat box. I am sharing the Google form for that quiz link. Not in the Google class. I am putting in the chat box. The same thing I can upload it in that Google class code also. Anything is fine.
No longer.
I just now I'm putting in the chat box.
It's my ID.
It says it's not accepting the
Ma'am, it's
response.
showing that it's no longer
Not
accepting
opening.
Wait.
responses.
Wait. I will put it.
Old one.
Yeah. I will disable the link. I will give the permission to. I will upload it in that. Those who are not did yesterday quiz also should be completed. All this carries for the evaluation. Can I try now? Time start now. Fill in the details and don't do it twice. I already give a email access. You can't able to submit twice because we have a 326. We should be get. If you are, you can check in Google Class also. Same link available in the Google Class. There you can submit it, Google Class link.
day 1 photo.
So do it in day 1 link also in the Google Class, and this link in also in Google Class call only. All of you use the Google Class link. So because the monitoring Google Class link is linking is opening. Tejashwini, Samar is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Yeah, take a time and do it.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು?
103 I'm receiving right now. Still 5 more minutes. Ma'am, can you please send me the invite link of the Google Classroom? Okay, I will put it in the chat box. You can check it out. Class is not end. Don't leave it. So I have to go with that variables, data types, and keywords today's class till 12:15. I have to engage the class. So then now the students are leaving. Inform your student to join. Come back again. So still I have to continue. I will give that till 5 more minutes to fill it. I have received 115 response now. Only 5 to 10, 15 students getting out of out. Or less than 5 you are scoring. Think about your C, basics of C. So I gave simple basic questions, not complicated. I will release the results also. You want results?
Python 380.
You want result for now quiz?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
You are getting results?
No, ma'am.
ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ.
No, ma'am.
You want to see your results?
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಓದಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Wait. I now 200 crossing. Just 2 more minutes. If you release the results, then students will be copy and paste it. Okay. That think about where you are wrong it. See why I am asking simple questions also you are not able to get it. Maximum students are getting 5 marks. Basics of variables, basics of keywords, basics of data type, it is same as in C only. See, there also you are using here. Okay. How many keywords are available in C language?
How many keywords?
How many keywords are available in C language? Yes, super. How many of you are active? 32. How many basic data types available in C? Basic data types. Or can you list? Basic data types. What are those?
Character, int, float, double float.
Float, character, double, int, float, double. ಐದಾಯ್ತು.
What ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಡಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Okay, what is mean by variable? Variables means. Do you have any difference between the variable and keyword?
Yeah, you shouldn't use your keywords as a variable name.
We can't use keywords as a variable name. Okay, anyone can you define variable in C?
Which do not have a constant value, which you can vary when you are running your program.
Store
We can change.
data values.
What, Jagdish, can I repeat?
They store the data values in
It store the data value in that one. It's like to storing purpose we are using variable. My question is how to define a variable in C.
Is an identifier which is used to store a value.
Correct. What is the syntax?
Data type followed by the name
A
of the
very
variable.
Data type followed by
Name of the variable.
okay. Data type followed by assume data type can be anything. See name of the variable. What is the rules to be remembered to define the variables?
You cannot use keywords
a
as a
variable
variable name.
can
You cannot use
a
special symbols.
Okay.
It should begin with
it
only
can
alphabet, and all should be.
Can I use digits?
Yeah, you can
no
use
ma'am.
digit, but
Where?
starting it should be
No ma'am, it can't
alphabet.
start with a digit.
I think we have to not use
You
that
can use, but it
special
can't
character.
start with it.
Very good, very good. We can't use special symbol. We can't use digits at the beginning. Can you use underscore? Nobody will talk about underscore.
Yeah, we can use
We can
underscore.
use.
If you want space, you can use instead of that, you can use
Successive
underscore.
underscore should not be used.
Where under can I start my variable start with underscore?
No.
Two
It can
successive.
start.
Correct? Can you do it? That underscore. Underscore dollar cannot be used. Digits is not start with. And can I use main as an variable?
No.
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 No ma'am. No ma'am.
No. Okay.
It is the keyword.
Main is a keyword for that one. I will check it out the response. Wait a minute. Now 268 to 70 I got it. Just 2 more minutes I will get it out. Which question make wrong all of you? What is the short in int in C programming?
No, it is also data type.
What type of, is it basic data type or what?
Basic.
Basic data type.
It has a storage allocation of 4 bytes.
Are you using string as a data type to declaring for the string?
Yes, ma'am. No.
We are using string?
No, ma'am.
No,
We
I
will
will
use
put one. I will put one question in the chat box. Can you tell me which one is correct? Which of the following declaration is a string supported by C language? Which question is correct?
First.
Which one?
A.
A na? Oh, I'm getting answer. A. Okay, next question. See, these are all basics to be required for your Python. I want to know about your C performance. Where in C the order of precedence of operators do not exist. Within a conditional statement, if else, or within a while or do while, within a macro definition, or none of. Which one is correct? Put it in the chat box answer.
Fourth.
Fourth one is correct. Why? What is the question? We have to use all the remaining. We are using that, but in we are not using. The next question. Which of the following is not possible with any two operator in C? Different precedence, same associativity, different precedence, different associativity, same precedence and different associativity, all of mentioned.
None.
What is the answer? C is correct answer. Okay, I will release your results. 288. I will just stop accepting. The results I gave maximum 15 minutes. I will stop and I will release the answer. Still are doing. Not happening. The average is 6, median is 7. The range is 2 to 10 you're getting.
Sure.
Wait. See, with respect to your email ID, you will get the answer. Check it your email ID.
Gmail.
Whatever your mail ID you are given, for that I release the answer. Check your mail.
Yes.
Check it at your performance.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, we didn't got the results, ma'am.
Ma'am, for logical or relational expression, answer is true or false, no, ma'am?
Zero or one, right?
Mom,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mom,
Should right.
Hello.
Yes, mom.
Yeah, just I unmuted by forgot about mute it. So, okay, now the first question is which of the following is not a valid C variable name? So why it is that 90% of the answer is correct. Well done, good. You understand about variable. The same concept should be followed in the Python also. See the all keywords in C or in. Still we have a 10% doubt. All keywords are written in lowercase letter. Here also same thing in the Python. Which of the following statement is true for the variable names? You have know the definition of the variable. The variable's name is cannot start with the digits. Then 71% of the students they give correct answer. The next. What is the mistake in first option? Fourth question.
Comma should not be there.
What is the mistake in the third option?
Space.
No
Underscore
space
space they
between
give
variables.
space.
Okay, fourth option.
Dollar.
Very good.
Should not start with special symbols.
That means this is the definition of what? Variable. If you know the definition of the variable, then it can define anything. See, what is the problem in the fifth question? The fifth question, which of the following is cannot be a variable name in C? See, why I can't take volatile?
Keyword.
You're not
Keyword.
studied properly the keyword. We have a 32 keywords, right? There you have volatile. Only some keywords you remember, print, if, while, all those things. Volatile is also a keyword. Because of that, we can't use it, that one. The next one is, what is the result of logical or relational expression in C? See, here you will get the relation and the output in 0 or 1. There you will get a relation to 12, 15, until 0 or 1. Okay. Which of the following is not an operator in C? This is comma. This is in size of. This is a negation. So all are operator, right? Then none of the above is mentioned is the correct answer. See, what is an output of this? Still I have only 39% of the students are getting answer.
Ma'am, int should not be there.
Mom, in this question, y is defined twice. Therefore, mom, it like produce syntax error?
Why
Like since
syntax
y is
error?
already defined.
Why?
No.
You are not
This
understanding
time,
C
Its
language.
values changes through the execution, right? So
Yeah, very
it is
good,
that it
very
works.
good. Yeah, it is.
It
What is
will
the recent value?
it will
Amisha,
recent value.
Amisha,
yes, mom.
your
Yes,
doubt
mom.
is right. Any number of times variable can be declared and assigned, but the memory location, what is the latest value will be assigned, that is stored. While printing, what the latest value will be stored in that variable, that will be taken to picture. So why I take this question is you have to go for the placement. In the placement, you will not get the questions whatever I'm asking till 5 to 6. You will getting this code, you will be getting this one. For this code, you are getting the output, right? The output of this program. See, for that, I take this type of question. If you know correctly that C language, you can answer this question. Only I am getting 39% of the student will write the correct answer. You clear?
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Thank you, mom.
Yeah, this
Yes,
is,
mom.
you always, if you want to practice for the placement,
Ma'am,
yeah, what you are getting?
here compiled int if I exit, ma'am,
Int
then
Y.
output will come same.
Mm.
If int is there, you can't.
No, no, int is not. This is, I understand it's only that language execution. While execution should be remove that int because if you are int y, duplication at the same time y will be declared, you will get an error. So while typing, you remove that y. Say, I'm not giving option for the error, right? Give an option for error? No. A compilation error. But if think about my answer is as per that we have y is redeclarations. My intention of this question is you can get compilation error because if you can't able to declare two times same variable with different. You can remove int if I use y is equal to 34. What is the recent value? Samarth, what your doubt is correct. Which option you hop it? You can increase your marks.
Can you explain again, ma'am?
No, no. See, way this the first line is ash include std.h for the declaration statement. Okay, the main will be start. The next I will start int is a data type. I am creating a variable y. You can take any variable, but the variable it not start with the digits or it not start with a dollar or any special symbol except underscore. I am assigning the value 10,000 to the y. Any doubt in this statement? Clear, right? Next, say by mistake I type int. If assume int is not there, then you can assign y is equal to 34. Initially in the memory location, y space is created in the memory. That location 10,000 value will be stored. When I am run for the second line, then again the y is equal to 34. 10,000 is overwritten with which value? Which value?
34.
Yes, you got it right. 10,000 be overwritten by it is replacing with 34. After that statement, I am giving printf. Printf allow word percentage d slash and colon. Say I am trying to print the y value. What is the recent one in the memory location? 10,000 is overwritten with what? 34. So what is the value will be taken from this y?
34.
Y will be taken as 34. The hello word is 34. Because of that, the answer is hello word is 34 I am getting. So it will not display hello word 10,000 because that y is already replacing. If it is y into y 34 is not there, then what is your output? What is your output? That line is comment, assume. That line is comment. What is an output? Y is equal to 10,000. Clear, huh? 10,000. See, assume y one into y declaration. I have into y semicolon is there. Okay, what is the value in that time? Samarth, can you execute that program and show it everyone? Share the screen and show the output.
Repeat.
You are already typing, right?
Repeat.
Then you will get a clarity in that answer. Okay. Then what will be happen the following ninth program? 59% results. Is there any doubt? Okay, everyone, I will release the result. 528. So we'll come back. Okay, let me check about. Is it audible?
Yes.
Okay, that let me come variable. You have a clarity in that variable. What is in variable and see. The same variable can also used in Python also. Let me check with the variables. Variable is a named memory location that stores the data and whose value may be changed during the program execution. That whatever I give int y is equal to 10,000 or y is equal to 34, anything can be done while during the execution. Name to storage location in the computer location. It's a name I'm giving to store the value, which are used to store the data are called as a variable. A variable can store only one data value at a time. For the one line execution, that value should be updated in that variable. When a new value is stored to the variable, what happens? 10,000 will be what happens? Its previous value gets what happened? Previous value gets overwritten. What happens? 10,000 will be overwritten with these things. Assigning values to variables. See how to do assigning values to the variables. The values are assigned to the variables using a which operator? Double equals or single equals? Single equal. You are doing the same thing in C also, right? A is equal to 3. Single equal you are using for this one. Then x is equal to 25. Assign the value 25 to the variable x. Okay, can you execute this program? Before executing, tell me what is the value of a. These are continuous statement. See, go to your IDLE terminal, both mobile as well as in the laptop. Before executing, can you tell me what is the value of a?
Ma'am, C is 30, A is 20.
C is 30, A is
20.
can you execute it in IDL tool? Anyone can share the screen and execute. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B. These are the continuous statement. And you can getting what is the recent answer will be stored in C, that one. After overwritten, what is the A value? It returned 10 or only 20? A is 20 or 10 after execution?
A value changes to 20.
Why it is changes? As per the rule, what is the rules? The last rule? When a new value is stored in a variable, its previous value gets overwritten. Okay. Next. No one will be share the screen. Anyone can share the screen after executing? Apurva, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 10. Print A is 20. You got it? What is that variable declaration with the overwritten? Okay, good, Apurva. The next I will continue. So next, what are the rules to be remembered? Till now, I am past 15 minutes, I am telling the rules for the variables only. The same rules here also. A variable's name must start with an alphabet, capital, a small, or an underscore dash. A variable name can consist of letters, digits, underscore. No other characters are allowed. Okay. A keyword cannot be used as a variable's name. A variable name can be of any length. Correct? It is same thing in C also. Do you remember the rules for the variables?
Ma'am, in C, variable length is 31.
Here, that only I am asking. There is a restriction in the length. But here, any length. Variable names are case sensitive. The last point is same or different? Variable names are case sensitive in C also, right? Capital age and small age are different variable names. Okay. These are the valid variable example. Can you type on the chat box variable types? Different. Some valid variables. Whatever I'm showing, not that one. minus underscore 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. What about Varsha? False that 31. 31 is 31 character. Okay. Next. Only 2 answer in chat box. 3. Use combination of the rules, right? Okay, good. Pratibha, okay. Chandra, Santosh, okay. Ashit, okay. X plus plus. Ashwini, can you use it? Do you have any special symbol? What is X plus is a valid variable or invalid variable? Okay. Okay is also variable. Jagdish was smart. Okay. Umesh, okay. Aditya, okay. Nisha. Can I write 0 to underscore Nisha?
Yes.
0 to underscore Nisha, is it okay? Valid or invalid? Can I use hash? Shreya? 12 underscore amount hash is a valid variable or invalid variable? Anyone can answer.
Hash is invalid.
Then it is come under where? Invalid.
Two
Okay.
successive underscore should not be there.
2 success underscore should be not. Why?
That is allowed in Python now.
That only I'm asking in C. We have to run in Python only right now. We are come back to the Python variables only. I'm asking in Python. In C2, successive underscore cannot be used, but in Python, check it out. You are in Python IDLE tool, right? Give it variable declaration. Is it valid or invalid? Check it out. Okay, tell me. This is an invalid variable. Why? Employee code is an invalid. Why? What is the reason? Why it is invalid? Space. Second one. Second one. Quick.
That's with the digit.
Okay. Third one.
Dot.
Fourth one.
Ampersand at the rate.
Okay. Fifth one.
Capital letter.
Capital.
E is
Okay.
capital.
Keyword.
Else is what? Keywords.
Keyword.
Capital letter is okay, but else is as per the
Keyword.
keywords, else it will be smaller by typing mistake. Okay. Note. Read the note and tell me the answer. Dash I am giving. The dash I need an answer.
Error.
Correct? Question is understand? If a
In
variable is
Python,
being
it is not
without assigning a variable, if the variable is not defined, it gives an
Error.
error. Good. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Let me go. What is keywords? What is keywords?
which are fixed.
Words which have a
Predefined words which have
Which has a predefined meaning is defined for that each words that cannot be used as in variables. How to know about list of keywords available in C? Can you able to have any command is there or any program is there to check how many keywords are there in C?
32 keywords.
No. Just I'm asking. I want to check it out. How many keywords are there in C by typing the program to get the output as a keywords. The list of keywords. Do you have any command, or do you have any program for that?
No.
No. Okay. Then is it available in Python? How many
Yes, it
keywords
is.
are there? C.
Yes, no, it's
I show the answer for that. Yes, sir. Okay. See, now I want to know how many keywords are there for that. All of you go back to your command prompt. Type import. Import is a keyword. I have to import from any library. Then you should be use import. There in the C, you are using hash include stdio.h, right? Hash include for that. Any libraries are I am using for to write the program, you should be use import. Import keywords. Clear? All are in typing?
Yes.
See, now I am importing the keyword. I want to display, right? See what? I want to display. For that, you should be use print keyword object keyword, that variable has to use it. Print is a message to display in the screen. Keyword is a variable that on true and an object I am calling KW list. See what are all that keywords are available in the Python. You can display it for all the things. False, none, true. See, some you are declared as a capital letter and some will be declared as a small letter. For that one should be know about that. Okay. And as, assert, asynchronous, avoid, break, class, continue, definition, delete, ELIF. Okay, else, except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, rise, return, try, while, with, it. These are some of the keywords are available in Python. What is the command?
Import.
Import keyword. Don't forget import keyword. Tomorrow I will ask some questions. What you learned today's class. Import randomly I will pick the name. Import keyword print keyword dot kws. See some of the keyword I can let it try. Is it working? Keywords in Python programming. This is the after running. This is theoretically we are getting. See, okay. See in the keyword description, the keyword in that when you are getting true or false. So we have a true is there. So how to getting the true or false an output truth value where I have to check the program. So when I have to compare the Boolean operation, so or the logical operation in the Python, we should be use this. See we are already run the program, correct, right? Where I am getting this one? If you run the beginning of the class, 1 double equal to 1, what is the answer you're getting? Both are equal. Then what is the answer you're getting? True. 5 is greater than 3. What is the answer?
True.
Okay, next question is true or false. What your expected answer? In the command line, you type
True.
true or false. What is the answer?
It will show error,
True.
right?
This is an error,
True.
or you will get true or you will get false.
True.
Why it is true? What type of operation is doing here?
Conditional.
Conditional or logical?
Logical.
Comparison.
You read it. There are results of comparison operations of logical or Boolean operations we are doing. Logical or Boolean operations doing. What is an expected output? What is R? 0, 0 or
True or false?
0.
0. That means false, false, false. True, false, true.
True.
False, false, true.
True.
True, true.
True.
So this is R, right? Then what is an
Yes.
expected output? True or false. Name true is what is an error you're getting? Why I am getting error?
Fine.
Small t and small f.
Correct?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
some of the keywords are written in uppercase letter for the beginning letter. Some of the keywords are written in smaller case letter. But in C, every keywords are written in
Small letter.
See,
Lowercase letter.
any invention of the languages, he gave its own representation. That's all. You should be invent any new language. You should be give some difference between the other language. For that, that one Python who invented, he gave some keywords in uppercase letter, some keywords is lowercase letter for that one. According to that, it will get it. So if we give true and true, what is the answer?
True.
True.
This one?
True.
True. True, ma'am.
Hmm. Hmm.
False.
False.
Correct, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
False.
What is the true? What is the condition in AND logical operator? Can you tell me anyone? All
True
four.
and true. They're only true. Otherwise,
Okay.
false. Both
Otherwise,
should be true.
yeah.
All cases false.
Okay, good. Let's come back. This is one we're getting 3, 7 greater than 7. You'll get false. True and true, false. See, true equal to 1. See, now what is the answer for this? True equal to 1. What expected output?
Error.
True.
1 anta barata, true anta barata. Either it is 1 or it is true.
True.
True, ma'am.
You should be know about that. If it's the same thing, question will be displayed in C. False equal to 0. True na false? Now we little bit confused now. This question.
True, ma'am.
Correct? True. Who? How many of you praise it true? Thumb.
True.
True, ma'am.
True.
True, ma'am.
Yes. Correct? Why it is true?
Condition.
Now?
False.
False.
Now?
False.
You get an idea about that? Keywords? How
Yes,
to
ma'am.
import the keywords? What is a conditional or logical operator can be used in the command when I get 1 and when I am getting zeros for that one. Okay. You have one more question. What is the answer?
True.
True.
True plus true.
It's logical and itself plus.
You do operation true plus true. True is equal to 1. True is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 after result.
True.
Two.
Two.
Can you able to get this?
Yes, ma'am.
True minus false.
1 minus 0.
True.
Why I am getting error?
False.
Smaller case letter F.
True minus false one.
Correct? Clear? See, if true equal to 1, true, false equal to 0, true plus true is equal to true. See, what is the expected output of AND or not? Where I am using AND or not? We are using for logical cases for that one. True, false, true, false is false. The same thing we are implementing in that command prompt. This table I am checking. For that one, logical operator and or not for the keywords you are using with to display the output in the form of what? And or not. So let me go for that this one for the or operation and not true is true, false is true, false is true, false is false. Select what happens for the not operation. What do you mean by not? Negation of
Negation.
negation of A, not of A is true. False of not is what? To how to check in the command prompt? How to check it? What is the command I want to type to check the negation? Even not A na, not true na.
Not true.
Not
True. What do you mean not true?
False.
What is not false?
true.
Yes, got it. How to use it? True and
Yes.
false. See the next, till now we have executed for how to write a program in interactive mode. We have a one more mode for scripting mode. Clear, right? We have to write the program in, I have to open a file. There I have to type the program, save the program as .py. I should be run the program to the prompt. I want to get the answer in the prompt. See this, how to do the program in that file, how to run it. We'll go back in the next class. Clear for that? We are in that interactive mode. I have to go to file, create a file and type the program in there and save the file as .py, and I should be execute the program in that I want to get the result in command prompt. See that part is called as a scripting mode. Today we are learned about interactive mode. Tomorrow we can run more programs on what? Scripting program for that one. Okay, so we can do it in that next class for that one. Tomorrow class we have to learn about how to do for the scripting mode, data types, what are data types, how to write a program for the data types, list of programs we have. According to that we can do it for that one. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you share today's PDF?
You want? I will upload in the Google Class code for everyone should be practice. Okay. Any doubt you can
There is
post.
Google Classroom link.
Yeah, I will share. You want Google Class link once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone should be joined for the Google Class. Okay, wait a minute. Once again I will share it. See, to yesterday quiz were not completed. Can you complete it?
Send again.
You want once again? So I send it now. That Google Class code link. This is Google Class code link. And in the Google Class only, I putting the link. In the Google Class code only, I am applying that link. Just click on that day 1 quiz, put it, because we have 50 marks. Keep it in mind, you have 50 marks. The 50 marks you have to need assessment for that one. See, we have to take that count. For that one, we have to submit that every marks to the department. Clear, right? And today quiz marks also, you take it, I take it, see, right?
Quiz 1.
The quiz 1 is yesterday.
You can't do, ma'am.
Why?
Yesterday I missed.
You want once again, you have to do only today, I give excuse. Okay? Today's PDF, I will upload it. You want yesterday quiz? I'm telling right. You go back to class code. See there, Google Class. Go to classwork.
Would you upload it in the Google Classroom itself, ma'am?
In the upload it in the Google Classes. I will upload it the today's class notes also in the Google Class itself only.
Expired.
Okay, be practice and come back to the tomorrow class, because don't forget about today class. If you forget about today class, tomorrow we can write the program. Tomorrow I will go little bit programming part, like addition of two numbers, calculating whatever you done in the C program, sample program, simple interest, Celsius to Fahrenheit, area of circle, or you want to write a program in Python for all those things?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you already learn in C, right? You are in C comfortable, right?
Yes.
If you know C comfortable, you can easily write a program in Python. Because you should know the problem understanding. If you know the logic of the problem, only the syntax is changed in Python. The interactive mode is done. Now we go for the scripting mode. Tomorrow we should be use how to do the programming, that the little bit concept more, and how to extend addition of my programming for that one. Okay. Any more doubt?
No,
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Left. PP.